rapid formation of flake to enable proper settling of all impurities. This is the model of Harangal water treatment plant, and this is the model of complete Latur water supply scheme comprising headworks, WTP and MBR and ESR. This is the chemical house for the preparation of chemical solution of alum and TCC. This is the ST cable 3.3 kV trench. This is the clear water storage sump. Now we are inside the clear water sump house of Harangal WTP. There are 3 vertical turbine pumps of capacity 1123 cubic meter per hour with VSS motors 330 kilowatts. These 2 are the lighting panel board and motor control panel board. This is the clear water sump level indicator, pump delivery manifold. Overhead crane of 7.5 metric ton capacity used during pumps and motor servicing for lifting and lowering the equipments. Pump is in running condition. Pump's delivery header connected to rising main of size 762 mm, MS pipe of length 1.29 km. This is the view of the clear water pump house. These are the employees' quarters and officers' rest house. This is the recirculation sump. The waste discharge from filter and clarificator is let into this sump in order to recycle and reuse. These 2 are the master balancing reservoirs, each of capacity 3.125 ml at an elevation of 675 meter. Diameter of each MBR is 28.61 meter and tank height is 5 meter. These 2 MBR are at highest elevation compared to all 10 ESR in Latur. This is the water level indicator of MBR, which clearly shows the level of water in MBR at any moment. This is the government quarters ESR of capacity 0.3 ml with elevation of 653 meter. This ESR supplies water to only government quarters area. This is the second and higher ESR at government quarters area of capacity 2.2 ml with elevation of 653 meter. The diameter of the tank is 24 meter and tank height is 5 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 3 MLD. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Sona Nagar, Bhagya Nagar, Girwalkar Nagar, Hudko, Avanti Nagar, Polytechnic College, Kulswamini Nagar, Sayyad Nagar, Vittal Rukmini Nagar, Amaleshwar, Deep Jyoti Nagar, Mathura Nagar, Sri Nagar, Ajanta Nagar, Peer Tekdi, Sadguru Nagar and Valmiki Nagar. This is Maharashtra Jivan Pradhikaran office premise. This is MJP ESR of capacity 1.4 ml. Demand of this ESR area is 10.6 MLD. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Srinagar, Subhash Nagar, Agroya Nagar, Samartha Nagar, Mahadev Nagar, Vishal Nagar, Swami Samartha Nagar, Vikram Nagar, Subedar Ramji Nagar, Narashiv Nagar, Indika Nagar, Baddar Line, Sham Nagar, Padma Nagar, Jafar Nagar, behind Keshavraj School, Sardar Nagar, Bank Colony, Khore Galli, Mehboob Nagar, Ambejogai Road, Khadgaon Road, Sambhaji Nagar, Baba Nagar, Prakash Nagar, Kranti Nagar. MJP office is located where Superintendent Engineer, Executive Engineer and subdivisional engineer and other assistant engineers operate from here. New connections regularization activity is continuing here. Assistant engineers of MJP are seen working in the office. Hydraulic survey being superimposed on satellite image of Latur city. Saraswati Colony ESR. This is Saraswati Colony ESR of capacity 4.1 ml with elevation of 651.71 meter. The diameter of the tank is 32.66 meter and the tank height is 5 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 3.5 mld. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Old Hausa Road, Ramnagar, Raghavendra Colony, Driver Colony, Yashwant Nagar, Pattewar Colony, Gautam Nagar, Samartha Nagar, Ganesh Nagar, Kalika Devi Temple, Khani area, Mahsul Colony, Narayan Nagar, Virat Hanuman and Engineering Colony, Sahupur, Kaveri area, Patil House, Sai Krupa, Udupi Upahar, CITI Finance, Khandaveri Niwas, Lakshmi Jewelry, Pulsetti Niwas, Sahyadri Niwas. This ESR was inaugurated by eminent ex-Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sri Vilasravji Deshmukh. This is water level indicator of this ESR. Basveshwar Colony ESR. This is the Basveshwar Colony ESR of capacity 2.1 ml with elevation of 641 meter. The diameter of the tank is 23.42 meter and tank height is 5 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 3.5 mld. This is very well maintained with well maintained garden also. ESR. The unit contains indicator, recorder and printer which records the flow of water on hourly basis. This is the sensor of bulk meter. This ESR supplies water to many areas like LIC Colony, Patel Nagar, Mataji Nagar, Postal Colony, Shankarapuram, Sambhaji Nagar, Moti Nagar, Vidya Nagar, Mantri Nagar, Ambika Nagar, Dhaneshwar Nagar, Virat Hanuman, Gopal Nagar, Ausa Nanded Ring Road, Adarsh Colony, Narayan Nagar, Lamani Thanda, Pashupati Nagar, Parijat Mangal Karyalay, Ausa Main Road, Srinagar, Basveshwar Nagar. Dalda Factory ESR. This is the Dalda Factory ESR of capacity 1.75 ml with elevation of 645.4 meter. The diameter of the tank is 19.7 meter and the tank height is 6 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 8 mld. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Kamdar Road, Tavraj Colony, Holkar Nagar, Rahul Nagar, Udge Nagar, Krishna Nagar, Koina Line, Kole Nagar, Moti Nagar, More Nagar, Khaneri Road, Koile Nagar, Samta Nagar, Khandoba Galli, Old More Nagar, Gandhi Nagar, Majge Nagar, Manthale Nagar, Hanumantwadi, Old Khavra Road, Pinet Nagar, Rajeshri Nagar. This is the Rajdhani ESR of capacity 2.1 ml with elevation of 653.06 meter. The diameter of the tank is 21.6 meter and height is 5 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 5 mld. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Signal Camp, Tilak Nagar, Mitra Nagar, Bodhe Nagar, Shivaji Nagar, Gandhi Nagar, Kappad Mill, Khoregalli, Vaddarwada, Savewada, Nana Nani Park, उस्मानपुर, उस्मानपुरा, हमाले गली, सीताराम नगर, नारायण नगर, कोकटे नगर, कोकाटे नगर, खंडोबा गली, ओरिकवाड़ा, विवेकानंदपुरम, Bharat Gas, Udge Hospital. Now we are moving in the beautiful Latur city during rains, and adjacent big building is Latur Municipal Corporation. Gandhi Chowk ESR. This is Gandhi Chowk ESR of capacity 1.8 ml with the elevation of 654.56 meter. The diameter of the tank is 20.64 meter and tank height is 5.5 meter. The demand of this ESR area is 7.1 MLD. This ESR supplies water to many areas like Azad Chowk, Balaji Mandir, Maiswani Dargah,